Okay, guys, let's see here. JSP colon param action tag. If a source JSP program, if a source JSP program is communicating with the destination JSP or a solid program using JSP colon forward and JSP colon include action tags, then source JSP program the additional pass the data to destination program as the additional request parameter values using JSP colon param action tag. But this JSP colon param action tag must be a subtag of JSP colon forward action tag and JSP colon include action tag. So let's say an example web application on JSP colon param action tag where I can able to send the some request parameter values along with the request from source to destination. So what I'll do, I'll use the same deployment directory structure. I'll change to 12 action of param with forward. Okay. So I'll create one more directory under my web apps. Use new. I would have used the previous also. I can use previous only. Okay. But this does not give the field, so that's why I'm creating new one. Web-INF, not assignment. Fine. Let me create source.jsp. Let me use the same and I'll change some parameter. Control A, Control C, Alt F, new, JSP. Okay. Fine. File, save. Not 11. Let me use 12. 12 action forward. And beside to web-INF, source.jsp, and I will change some content here. So here is 12 action param forward. Action param forward context root. Okay, fine. And here I am forwarding, but before going to forward, let me embed some tag JSP colon forward. Okay, here I'm not performing the self close operation on a JSP colon forward, whereas I have performed separately. Okay, and here let me embed JSP colon param. JSP colon param, and you can use here key and value pair in the form of name. What are the parameter? Suppose I am forwarding the request from my request. Okay, same is coming here, and from here I can forward to again destination. From HTML to JSP, JSP to again source to destination. Okay, just assume here I have received in my scriptlet tag request dot get parameter uname, right? Uname. I got this data from where? HTML, from the browser window. So this uname I'm forwarding here. Suppose uname here, and let me embed here value. So value is, suppose I'm forwarding here Yogesh. Okay, and you can use here self close. So here let me embed here. Maybe you can forward something like age. Let me pass here parameter name, maybe age. Okay, value you can add here 55. Okay, fine. I embedded both the values. So similarly, I can use this as it is. I can pass here. Can I pass here? Are you getting what I mean to say? Are you getting, guys? Okay. So if you are not happy, I will work with this. First, I will work statically. I will remove this comment line. Where is comment line? Okay. Stringer uname. Okay. Directly can pass here. This uname value, uname here, name. value Yogesh. This uname parameter you should pass a uname val. So you can pass this uname val here, right? Are you getting, guys? Huh? So let me forward to the destination. So let me use this destination code, Control A, Control C. So file, new, and others, JSP. Okay, fine. I am from where? 12. Action parameter forward. Okay. And here I don't want to do anything great. Just simply second line, third line I will remove. Okay. Util. Let me get that request parameter values. So how do I get it? By using scriptlet tag or by using expression tag. So request dot get parameter. Get parameter. What are the parameter you have passed here? Just use here. So this is my source uname. Here is my uname. Okay. Got it? Got it, guys? Okay. Similarly, I can use one more. Next is what? So I got here age. Fine. Let me embed here. Fine. Let me show here. Name is and age is. Okay. Name is, age is. Let me save here. Let me save this file. Where is my forward destination? Let me use the same name. File, save. Okay, I'll correct it. Save. Where I made mistake, request. 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 It's implicit object. Request. Okay. Fine. Fine. Huh? Uh, okay. Request dot get parameter. Name is what is the name I mentioned. But in the case of source, we can get the string values in this way. Okay. We can get this value. Use the scriptlet tag here. What will you do? You just use the scriptlet tag, assignment operator. Fine. Declare a variable. Close the scriptlet. Sorry, declaration tag, not scriptlet. So actually, you should not use scriptlet here. You should use, sorry, you should not use declaration tag here. You should use scriptlet tag. Why? Why? Because request available in a JS underscore JSP service, right? Okay. Right or wrong? Okay. Fine. Save. Save. Similarly, you can. I'll try this also. Wait. So close. Then JSP comment. How it works? This is the way to work with JSP comment. Yes or no? So this is JSP. Now I have commented. I'll give the request parameter for my request. Okay. Fine. So meanwhile, just observe this output and this output. I'll get the date and time. I'll get the name and age where it is. They both are in the same request and response. Okay. Source.jsp and destination.jsp. Okay, fine. So let me add a web.xml file new, not required actually. But it's a good practice. Okay, save. Where should I show? 12 action tag web.INF. Under this, give the name called web.xml. Okay, fine. So just check whether your context loop name is deployed. Yes, finished in 21 millisecond. Just now, 18. Oh, just now it is over. 18:52, 33. So time is 18:52. Okay, fine. So let me go to my manager app. So refresh 12. So oh, I got second. Where is my 12? 12 is here. So here is my source.jsp. I got some error. Let me check. Mandatory attribute missing. Which is mandatory attribute missing? Line number 8. So go to 8. Go to line number 8. My source.jsp. JSP colon forward. JSP colon param age value. Self closing, na? I meant self closing. Value JSP colon param. JSP colon forward closed. So here also closed. Page. Here I give the page. So line number 8. Control X. Let me try here once again. Class not found, source JSP. Line number 8. Parameter action. Yes, I made correct, Baba. JSP colon forward. Page. Destination. Yes, I have destination dot JSP. Then JSP colon param. Hey, ita. Okay. The issue was here. Right? Here is the name. Okay, fine. So let me refresh once again. So I'll receive Yogesh and age. I forget to tell you one more thing that I told you in the morning session. That is, what was that? Separate JSP equivalent solid page will be created. Okay. Ha. Separate in JSP forward action tag here. Separate JSP equivalent solid classes will be generated for both source and JSP. In the morning session, I taught, right? So it's a time to prove. What should I do? Okay, it is proved actually. Is it done? Is it clear, everyone? Is it clear? Now, what should I do? I'll go to my Tomcat work folder, work Catalina, localhost 12. It's my time to show you that both. Look at here. JSP source JSP current solid file. I'll open this file. Okay, can you see the code? Okay. Now page context dot forward. Okay. Destination JSP, then query string. Okay. Then go to query string, runtime library, URL encode, uname. It is encoding uname, assignment operator, then value. Can you see? Then ampersand, then age, ampersand, sorry, assignment operator, then age. Clear? Clear? Is it clear? Okay, I will use word wrap. Now you can see. Clear now? Request sent to your destination.jsp. Okay. Now let me open the destination.jsp. Destination.jsp, that is JSP equivalent solid file. We can see a destination JSP, and just search for JSP service method and look at your business logic. Control Shift W. Okay. So I am from the context root name, blah blah blah. Name is, look at here, request dot get parameter. Okay. It is printing out dot printer brick. Okay. Age is request dot get parameter, the thing that I shown here, where the thing that I shown here. Is it clear? Now, instead of giving the request in this way, can I give the requester question mark, uname assignment operator, Yogesh, sorry, it's not double quote, directly Yogesh, ampersand, age, assignment operator, 55. Okay, if I give this request, let me copy this request for your more information and I'll paste for time being. Okay, what I'll do in my source, I'll get this one. I'll remove. I'll remove this. Okay, and uname Control C. I'll hold here what age val. Age val. Here I'll use age. Okay, and here I'll pass here. Here I'll pass uname val. Okay, and here I'll pass page val. Clear? Can I able to do this now? Means either you forward the request from HTML. Okay, so HTML will embed source JSP in a form tag. We have a name and age. They contains the values with the attribute request. Request parameter values is request parameter name is uname. Request parameter value age. Next request parameter name, that is attribute name is age. The value is 55. Understood? Understood, guys? Okay. Can I able to do it in this way? समझा क्या? Are you getting? So this is also possible. This is also possible. So I'll show this later on. Just wait here. Just now I commented, leave it up. Why JSP comments are not working? Fine. But my intention is to prove that I can embed the request parameter values. Okay. But this also I will try by using this query string. By using this query string. Okay. First, just try by using this. Later on, I will let you know how can I embed this form tag by using forward. Okay. Okay. Fine. Next, we shall see about. Okay, guys. So meanwhile, I committed these two lines, and so this is the output. So all the output of a source.jsp has been discarded, and output of a destination.jsp has been sent forward to browser window. This is destination.jsp. Okay, fine. Next, we shall see Next, we shall see about try this URL, test this URL. What is the difference between question? The question is, interview question is, what is the difference between both action tags? That is JSP colon forward and JSP colon include action tags. One side you can write JSP colon forward. One side you can write JSP colon include. So